Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. So today in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and we shall take a first look at the new Redmi 8A smartphone. This product's actual rate is around 6,499 rupees, but in the Flipkart's Big Billion Day and some offers or something, I bought this product as low as 5,800 rupees. I'll be leaving the direct link for this product in the description below, so if you want to buy one for yourself, you can use the link in the description. It will certainly help the channel. As you can see, this is the box package of the Xiaomi Redmi 8A. On this surface it has been written Xiaomi and it says India's #1 smartphone brand, and this variant that I have purchased is a 2GB RAM 32GB storage variant, and on this side of the box it largely mentions it has a 5000 mAh battery, which is an insanely high amount of battery considering the price of the smartphone. And on the rear surface of the box we also can see some of the important information about this box, which says Corning Gorilla Glass 5, 12 megapixel AI camera, 5000 mAh battery, up to 18 watt of fast charging, and also it has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439. Once we open the box package, we'll get this package, guys, and inside this pack I think we have the SIM ejector tool. Yes, there is the SIM ejector tool that is present inside this cover, guys, and also we have the user guide and warranty information inside. Once we open, the first thing that we get is the Redmi 8A smartphone itself. So I have purchased this smartphone in the midnight black color, guys, and from the heft I can easily feel that this has a really large battery. Inside this we also have some other leaflets that is present. As you can see, this is USB Type-C cable, which is helpful for charging and data transfer, and also we have got this charger. The charger of this smartphone has an output of 5 volt at 2 ampere. If you guys can see, the charger output is 5 volt 2 ampere and it is a 10 watt charger, guys, although this smartphone supports charging up to 18 watt. So guys, as you can see, this is the Redmi 8A smartphone. Once we slide over this case, we'll get to the smartphone itself. On this surface there is this sticker. Let me remove this protective sticker first. This Redmi 8A has a 6.22 inches HD plus display with a resolution of 720, which is actually a HD plus display, guys. And also we have this dot notch inside, which has front facing camera, and on the rear surface we have this designed by Xiaomi that has been written over here, and also we have the name Redmi that is written over here, and also we have 12 megapixel camera, which is an IMX383 sensor, which is the same sensor that is found on the Google Pixel 3 or the Poco F1 smartphone. And on this surface of the smartphone we'll find the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. We have the speaker grills, and also we have the 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's try to boot this device first, guys, and we'll check whether this device has got some juice or not. I have to say, guys, the quality of the buttons, like the power button and the volume rocker button, is excellent, and the Android logo that is present on this powered by Android is actually the new logo. So guys, as you can see, this device Redmi 8A comes with the MIUI 10 out of the box. So guys, while setting up any Xiaomi device, one of the most important things that we actually have to take care of is during the setup process itself, just opt out of all the ads and recommendations, which will actually help you to block all the ads on the smartphone that will actually appear inside the user interface. As you can see, this is the screen where you have to actually opt out of all the recommendations and all the ads, guys. User experience program, just cancel. Send diagnostic data automatically, just cancel, and personalized ad recommendation, just cancel. Wallpaper carousel, also just cancel. I don't want all these options, guys. Update MIUI automatically, just click on Wi-Fi only, and location also we can cancel right now, and if the individual apps ask for location access, we'll give it later. And on the back surface of this device there is a thin texture that is present, guys, and it feels really great to hold in the hand just because of this thin texture. It does not have any glossy finish or any matte finish, but this texture really helps to hold inside your hands, and it gives a firm grip as well. And the rounded edges of the smartphone also provides for a better grip and better handling even without having a case. On first boot, this is how the MIUI 10 on the new Redmi 8A looks, guys. And as we all know that MIUI has been one of the most successful custom user interfaces apart from Oxygen OS that comes in flagship smartphones. Well, the first and foremost thing that I always do when I take a new smartphone is I always turn on dark mode, guys, because that is very helpful for the eyes, and also it is actually really good for the battery life of this smartphone as well. And I turned on dark mode on this device as well, guys. As you can see, this is the about phone. We have some information that is present about this smartphone in the about phone section. As you can see, the model number is Redmi 8A. It is running on the Android 9 Pie. I think the Android 10 update for this device along with the MIUI 11 will be coming soon as well. And it is an octa-core device, guys, with a maximum clock speed of the core at 2 GHz. It is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 SoC, and it has an internal storage of 32 GB, out of which around 21.23 GB is available, guys. As you can see in the settings itself, we find this digital well-being feature, guys, which is a very good feature. And let's go to the storage, and in the storage we have got around 21.16 GB available out of the 32 GB storage. So guys, now quickly we'll jump into the camera interface of this smartphone and we'll check out what are the options that is present inside the camera interface of this Redmi 8A device, guys. And also we have this 8 megapixel front camera that is present inside this water notch. As you can see, this is the normal Xiaomi camera interface, and it says AI camera. There is this HDR mode, there is the photo, there is the videos tab, there is the portrait mode tab, pro mode as well, which is like a manual mode. And also in the video tab, let's check out what is the video resolution that we'll get in this smartphone, guys. Just go to the three dots menu. Video resolution available is up to 1080p at 30 FPS, guys. So that is the maximum video resolution that is available on this device. Now, as you guys can see on the screen, these are the quick sample photos that has been taken on the Redmi 8A smartphone. So the smartphone's camera quality for this price range is quite exceptional, and it has been really well made by Xiaomi for this price range.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.